Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify wash sale rules in your brokerage statements, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your brokerage statements for the relevant periods. Access your online brokerage account. Navigate to the section where your transaction history is displayed. Download or view your brokerage statements that include stock sales and purchases. Identify the stocks that you sold at a loss. Take note of the sale date and the purchase date for these stocks. Review the transaction history for any repurchases of the same stocks within 30 days before or after the sale. Locate any transactions that might indicate a repurchase. Be aware that any repurchase within this 61-day window can trigger wash sale rules. Next, record the amount of loss incurred from the initial sale. If you find a repurchase within the designated period, label the transaction as a wash sale. Adjust the loss from the sale accordingly. Add the disallowed loss to the cost basis of the repurchased stock. Repeat this process for all stocks sold at a loss. Utilize brokerage tax documents, like Form 1099-B, to aid in cross-referencing transactions. Ensure that the information aligns with your findings in your personal records. Consult tax software or a tax professional if you're uncertain about any adjustments. Keep thorough records of all transactions for future reference. This will help you accurately report gains and losses on your tax returns. By following these steps, you can effectively verify wash sale rules in your brokerage statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.